Hi students, welcome again to my channel Dr. Maths Tips and Tricks. Today I will discuss about pi. No, not an apple pie. It's all about pi in maths. In maths, pi is a number which is the ratio of circumference of a circle and diameter of that circle. Let us take a circle of radius r, that is diameter will be equal to 2r and circumference 2 pi r. Therefore, pi will be equal to 2 pi r upon 2r. The value of pi is 3.141592653589 ... never ending. It's a super long number. No matter how big or small the diameter is, value of pi is always same. In trigonometry and geometry, pi is an angle which is equal to 180 degree. But in mensuration, that is when we calculate area, volume, etc., pi will be equal to 22 upon 7 equal to 3.14. But it is not the actual value of pi. We only take this value for make our calculation easy. Pi is an irrational number, that is, it is non-terminating and non-repeating. We know some of irrational numbers are root 3, root 19, that is square root of prime numbers. And also we can take this value that 0.303000300003 ... and also 0.23233233 ... like this. Pi is also called transcendental number. Transcendental number. That means it is not the root or solution of any non-zero polynomial equation. The first calculation of pi was done by Archimedes, one of the great mathematicians in the ancient world. Around 200 BC, he calculated the value of pi by increasing the sides of inscribed polygon like this, and showed that perimeter of the polygon is approximately equal to circle. Higher the value of sides, it's close to the actual value of pi. Here is a formula of pi. Pi equal to n into sine 180 degree by n. Put here n equal to 3, 6, 12, 24. Just double the number. I will make a separate video to prove this formula. Pi can be expressed as infinite series. This is Gregory Leibniz series, 1670s, and Madhava series, 1400 CE. Madhava was an Indian mathematician. Another infinite series which is called Euler series, that is pi square by 6 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square plus up to infinity and so on. We celebrate Pi Day and Pi Time, that is 14th March at 1:59 p.m. You just look at this. Pi equal to 3.14, which is third month and day 14, that is 14th March. And pi time, look at this, 3.14 and then 159, that is 1.59 pm. At 1.59 pm we celebrate pi time. The current record of digits in pi is about 30 trillions digit, that is pi times 10 to the power 13 digits. Pi is 16th letter of Greek alphabets. That's all for today. Enjoy.